Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. If you are in Las Vegas, be sure to include Hoover Dam on your trip. It is just an hour outside of Las Vegas. The Hoover Dam is one of the greatest feats of engineering in the United States. It is a massive concrete structure built on the border between Arizona and Nevada. The Hoover Dam truly is one of the new wonders of the world. It is American ingenuity at its best, an engineering marvel. We enjoy the scenery. The observation deck has a great view. It was fun to walk around the dam and see the site. You can walk along both sides of the top of the dam, seeing beautiful Lake Mead on the Arizona side and the dam on the Nevada side. The amount of work and the scale of this structure is amazing. Walking across the dam gives a great perspective of the massive size of the place. It was a unique experience to walk across the dam. As part of your visit, make sure to experience crossing the Memorial Bridge. The bridge is comparatively new in relation to the dam. It was constructed in 2010 and spans the Colorado River to connect the dam and the Nevada and Arizona sides. From the bridge, this is the best location for pictures and views of Hoover Dam. A little scary, but it is a must-see adventure. It was well worth the experience of seeing and walking over the bridge. Friendly tips: it's super hot in the desert, so be sure to have sunscreen, a hat, and plenty of water. Try to go in the morning so you can avoid some of the heat of the Nevada desert. Be sure to bring a camera when you go, as you will get stunning views of the park's valleys, canyons, and mountains, along with its majestic blue waters. Hoover Dam was amazing to see it in person. It's so spectacular to look over the dam down below. I consider the Hoover Dam a must-see. Have you been to Hoover Dam? What was your favorite thing about it? Leave your comment below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!